Hi, my name is Cramblett, physical therapist and owner here at Revolutions in Fitness. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce you to a workshop we have coming up on low back pain. On March 24th at 7 p.m., we're going to be doing a workshop and lecture on how you can get out of or prevent low back injuries. They're so common. 80% of Americans have low back pain, and most of the time, we don't need any surgery. We don't need any major intervention in order to get back to the health and the wellness that we had before our low back started to get us in trouble. Most of the time, simple exercises can make such a big difference, and or some hands-on can move us in the right direction. So this workshop is going to be about what can you do yourself, or what can be done to help you get back to your full life.